Bronx organizations are coming together to equip fathers with the knowledge they need to know in family court.
We're all about empowering individuals by any means and giving them information, so I love doing this part of my job.
Types of custody and parental rights were some of the topics discussed for both in-person and online attendees.
What their rights might be and what they may need to know about family court and seeking access to their information and what their rights are in family court.
For families worried about cost, the workshop focused on free and low-cost services.
I hope that people walk away knowing a little bit more about what their rights are in family court, as well as what family legal care can offer them in terms of services and getting help with free legal information and advice.
Everything is free of choice. Even the referrals, we try to go to the low cost or free options, so we definitely try our best to be that conduit of information and connect folks with resources in many different capacities.
The entire workshop will live on the organization's YouTube page, and the Center for Justice Innovation says there are plans to continue offering these workshops to the community. Reporting for BronxNet, Jonathan Calixto.